Well, welcome to this Vintage Farmhouse Antiques presentation on the YouTube channel we run, showing you the china that's being listed currently on the website to give you a better feel for the quality, condition, and a little bit more of a feel for what we've got coming through. This is a lovely piece of antique Imari in a very special colour combination on a pattern reference 1803, and there's the china mark. I wonder if you recognise that. Not a common one. Took quite a bit of researching this because it was only used for a very short period of time. The clues here in the stylized W, and this is Wild Brothers. There's the B in the center of the W at the base of that, and it's got that characteristic crown. The pattern name is Royal, and the pattern reference, hand applied by the decorators there, is 1803. Now Imari comes in so many different variations and colour themes. This one's in this beautiful lime green, gold and orangey red with the dark, almost black pigments of the cobalt in there as well. But what makes these cups really stand out is not the outside wall decoration, which is very heavy and beautiful, but the inner wall decoration. Just look at the trouble and detail that the decorators have gone to. This is a transfer printed piece of porcelain made for a period on that china mark of between 1904 and 1907. It later, because of the death of a couple of the Wild brothers, later be predominantly Shelly who would run this company, and the JSW marks far more common than the WB marks that we've got on these sets. Lovely open teacup, not a full Victorian open bowl, this very much Edwardian in its design and feel. Lovely little, very delicate little scalloping. It's not really scalloping, it's almost pointing around this rim. Quite a plain handle with a little bit of moulding on it, double branching there on the actual handle, and beautifully marked as we've shown you. Now these sets are in antique used condition, so they're not absolutely mint, and we'll draw your attention to the little bit of wear just around the gilt lineage that's been applied on the saucer well. Not a great place to put a line of 22 karat gold because it gets so much wear in that position, but otherwise these saucers are in really very good condition with good gilt retention around the rims, and again beautifully marked with that WB Royal marking on the base. And the side plates, again, just look at that Imari design, gold 1803, beautiful colour combination in fantastic condition. Very little wear or knife marks on the actual T-plates or side plates, and the gilt around the scallop trims, again very good, matching factory marks. So this is antique Wild Brothers Royal 1803 in that fantastic colour combination in really superb condition for a set of trio pieces from this age. More details about this trio and Wild Brothers and the dates and the sizes, all the dimensions and everything will be on our website listing, so do follow the link description, click on the product below in YouTube, and that will take you directly through to the Vintage and Antiques website, where we've got lots of beautiful antique and vintage china along these lines, so do visit and have a browse. Thanks for watching.